Hi, I'm Chris Robinson, lead advisor with RFG Wealth Advisory. When it comes to retirement accounts, rolling over funds may seem straightforward, but even small mistakes can lead to unexpected taxes or penalties. Whether you're changing jobs, consolidating accounts, inheriting an IRA, or considering a Roth conversion, it's important to understand the rules before you move your money. In this video, we'll cover 10 of the most common IRA rollover mistakes and how to avoid them, so you can protect your retirement savings. Mistake number one, IRA-to-IRA rollovers and Roth conversions. One of the first mistakes we see is using 60-day rollovers instead of direct transfers. Direct transfers are safer because the funds never pass through your hands, reducing the risk of missing deadlines. Remember, the IRS allows only one 60-day rollover per year across all your IRAs. During Roth conversions, people sometimes forget to account for the tax impact, or they try to convert required minimum distributions, which isn't allowed. Mistake number two, non-spouse and spousal rollovers. If you inherit an IRA and you're not the spouse, you cannot roll it over. Common errors include taking a lump sum distribution or moving the inherited IRA into your own IRA. Spouses have more flexibility. They can roll an inherited IRA into their own account, but timing is critical. Doing this before age 59 and a half or forgetting to name a successor beneficiary can create problems down the road. Mistake number three, 401k rollovers to IRAs. Leaving a job often triggers a 401k rollover. Mistakes here include not reviewing all available options. Sometimes leaving money in the plan may be better. Ignoring creditor protection differences between IRAs and employer plans. Failing to check if company stock has special tax benefits like NUA. Mistake number four, after-tax contributions and Roth conversions. After-tax amounts from plans must be allocated properly when moving to IRAs or converting to Roth IRAs. Mistakes can trigger unnecessary taxes if pre-tax and after-tax funds are mixed incorrectly. Other common rollover mistakes. Losing track of the 60-day rollover window. Receiving distributions personally without understanding the mandatory 20% withholding from plans. Mistakes during divorce, quadro rollovers, or rolling IRAs back into a company plan without following the rules. Each of these missteps can lead to tax consequences or penalties that are difficult to reverse. To help you navigate these rules with confidence, we created a downloadable checklist, Top 10 IRA Rollover Mistakes. It's a simple guide that walks you through the most common rollover pitfalls and how to avoid them. Download your copy below this video and make sure your retirement savings stay protected. Financial success doesn't happen by chance. Contact one of our advisors or schedule a free virtual consultation on our website. RFG Wealth Advisory is an independent, fee-only, registered investment advisor firm that always puts our clients' interests first. We have a transparent, simple fee structure that's easy to understand. Call us today and let us help you make the most strategic decisions about your IRA rollover.